one more sleep till Christmas. That's how I used to think of things when I was a kid. My siblings and myself, we'd be in the basement, lined up with all our sleeping bags. I have 4 sisters and 2 brothers, and one by one they'd all fall asleep at certain times. And I remember we used to joke about my youngest brother, because he'd fall asleep first, and we'd be like, he's already opening up his Christmas presents because he's asleep right now. But in his world, he's waking up, opening up the presents, whereas we are talking and we can't go to sleep because we're so excited about Christmas. So hopefully you have a fantastic Christmas this weekend. It's actually pretty cool that Christmas falls on a Saturday. So tonight we're actually camping over at my daughter's house. She just moved from this town back to Calgary. Her husband and herself and her dog Cash, which we are dog sitting, so we looked after him last night. So we're camping overnight, and we're going to do Christmas breakfast tomorrow morning, open up presents, all this kind of stuff, hang out. My oldest daughter, my eldest, she has a personality that is very different than myself. She's an extrovert, but she has an agenda. Everything for basically the 30 days leading up to Christmas, everything is by the book. I watch this movie, we do this. I think tomorrow we're going to go and look at the Christmas lights in Calgary. She's got it all down. It's all scheduled, bam, 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 bam. For me, I'm a little bit more impulsive. I like things on the fly. Let's do this, let's do that. Let's play board games. Let's play a little bit of Axes and Allies, Risk, all that kind of stuff. Pandemic, that's not a bad game to play this weekend. So that's what I'm doing. What are you guys up to this weekend? Let me know in the comments what your tradition is. Let me know that. And again, I hope you have a fantastic Christmas. I hope you're either taking courses online or you're refining your skills to become a better salesperson. It doesn't stop, really, honestly. Every single day I listen to audiobooks, I read books on sales, I take courses daily, I invest. I probably spend about $500-600 every single month on learning, honing my craft. You should be doing that. Don't take a break during Christmas. That's why I'm uploading a video. It's going to be Christmas Eve, and I'll probably upload another video over the weekend, maybe on Sunday or something. We'll see. But continue to get better at your craft. Bring down the cynicism and increase your bandwidth, if you will, to learn new skills, because really sales at the end of the day is everything. We do it every single day. We do it with our kids, we do it with our spouse, we do it at work, all this kind of stuff. So the learning never ends, it never stops. So there you go. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.